Hi guys! So welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to Dubai, UAE. So obviously Eula's not with me again because she's in Qatar working. She just came back from her 2 weeks holiday, so she really can't leave. So I'm here for a couple of days. I'm going to wait for my previous employer to finish the cancellation process of my UAE visa with them. And then hopefully I'll get another job in another country or maybe home or wherever. So while waiting for that, I will show you around Dubai. I'll try to show you an affordable way on how to travel around Dubai. You're just using the metro. So it means I'll be doing a metro tour. I'll try to go to the tourist spots just by using the metro. The green line, the red line, the tram. So yes, join me as I explore Dubai. So hopefully I won't get lost and hopefully you'll enjoy. See you guys. Ciao. The first route we're heading off is the Dubai Tram. You need to get off the Mac or Jumeirah Lake Tower station from the red line to transfer to the tram. The tram loops around Dubai Marina and Jumeirah Beach residents and then head off down to Al Sufu. An important reminder, don't forget to check in and out on each station to avoid getting fines. First up, JBR2 station. Get off here or at JBR1 to get to the walk and the beach where they have various restaurants and a public beach. Dubai Marina Mall features different brands to choose from, and if you want to grab a bite, many of its fantastic restaurants have outdoor seating overlooking the marina. To those who want to experience the Dubai nightlife, get off at Nina Siyahi and you'll find the famous Barasti across the road. Palm Jumeirah. This station is connected by a walkway to the gateway station of the Palm Jumeirah, the world's largest man-made island. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palm Jumeirah Monotrail. We're going to Atlantis. Mag-ikot lang tayo. This is 25 dirhams for round trip transfer. So kung mamamasyal lang kayo to and from, ito yon. From the monorail, you can see a fantastic facade of the Atlantis Hotel. Spend the day at the Aquaventure Water Park and at the Lost Chambers Aquarium. At the end of the tram, you can get off at Knowledge Village Station or Al Sufu Station and catch a cab to Souk Madinat Jumeirah. Souk Madinat Jumeirah combines traditional and modern Middle Eastern shopping culture and also the home to different restaurants offering cuisines from all over the world. And of course, my favorite place in Dubai, the Jumeirah Open Beach. Go for a walk, grab a juice, sit by the beach and watch the glorious sunset as it rolled by the magnificent Burj Al Arab.